Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to change the font on TikTok in 2021 or how to get a custom TikTok name with some weird characters and so on. It's the same thing on any iPhone and on any Android device. And if you really want to help me out, you can actually give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm, share some love, and join the army. We have 12,000 subscribers right now. Subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. So what you obviously want to do is go over to TikTok, click on edit profile, and you want to go to your name. And now you want to change it to something better. So you want to go to this website, lingojam.com. You can see it above, lingojam.com. You want to go down below and click the fancy text generator here. Here it is. And if I just type in Dr. Nikki, it will give me a bunch of cool names that I can choose from. For example, this one. And if I like it, I can just copy it, I guess. Copy. And now I gotta go to TikTok, remove my name, paste this one, Dr. Nikki. And it's ready. I have a new name. It's a little bit weird, but yeah. If this video helped you out, give me a like. Wanna see you next one?